This is your 10-minute morning meditation for positive energy and personal power. Sit comfortably on a chair. Align the crown of your head over your pelvis. Make certain you have a good, straight posture. Take a deep, relaxing breath, a fourfold breath. In for 4 seconds. Hold it for 4 seconds. Out for 4 seconds. And then allow your lungs to remain empty for 4 seconds. Let's do that again. Continue breathing in the fourfold breath. Your morning meditation will give you the positive energy to take on the challenges of the day. Feel a wave of infinite gratitude coming over your life, your energy field, and your body. You may feel chills or excitement as you feel this morning gratitude surrounding your life. Allow this energy, this feeling of deep gratitude for life and for all that it holds for you, for everything that the day has in store for you. Allow it to bring you to the highest version of yourself. Feel your vibration increasing, growing, expanding as you focus on all the wonderful things in your life that you are grateful for. Feel a warm wave of gratitude coming over your life. And as you feel this gratitude, as you think about all the wonderful things that you are grateful for, feel yourself going through a paradigm shift and elevating into a higher state of consciousness. You feel closer to your dreams and your goals. You feel closer to source energy. Now take another deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Feel a wave of universal source energy surrounding your energy field, your body, and penetrating every cell and fiber of your being. You can call this energy, this feeling, the Holy Spirit. You can call it God. You can call it Source. But whatever it is intimate with you. This energy is fully within you, and you are within it. You're feeling a strong wave of this energy surrounding your body and your life and this very day. And you realize nothing can stop you. You are unlimited. You understand that on a spiritual level, you were never born and you will never die. And the entire power of the universe conspires for your happiness, your personal power, your positive energy this very day. This is your day. The sun is rising within you. Makes no difference about the clouds or the rain outside or whatever the weather may be. The sun is rising within you. And you understand that no matter what the challenges are this very day, no matter what you face, you have the personal power, the positive energy to take on the challenge and to achieve and receive the day and the life that you desire. Feel yourself motivated, almost as if your body desires to jump up out of the chair, arms above your head. Feel that power, that energy, that excitement, that enthusiasm coming into your body. And now, end this short 10-minute meditation with these words. This is my time. This is my day. Be sure and listen to this morning meditation every morning for at least 28 days.